डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम लोग इनइक्वालिटीज शुरू कर रहे हैं। तो इनइक्वालिटीज में सबसे फर्स्ट थिंग जो आती है वो चीज़ आती है आपकी इंटरवल्स आती है। इंटरवल्स क्या होते हैं? तो ये होता है आपका द सेट ऑफ नंबर्स बिटवीन एनी टू रियल नंबर्स इज कॉल्ड एन इंटरवल। मतलब कोई भी रियल नंबर्स के बीच में कोई नंबर लाई करता है तो जो नंबर्स का सेट बनेगा उसी को हम बोलते हैं इंटरवल्स बोलते हैं। ये इंटरवल्स आपके डिफरेंट टाइप्स के होते हैं जो दिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट इज क्लोज इंटरवल। क्लोज इंटरवल इसको सिंबल के रूप में आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, x बिलोंग्स टू क्लोज इंटरवल a टू b, और दिस मीन्स x lies between a and b as well as x is equal to a and x equals to b। डेट मीन्स नंबर लाइन से इसको समझते हैं तो x जो होगा a और b के बीच में लाई करेगा, एज वेल एज x दोनों एक्सट्रीम वैल्यूज को भी कंटेन करेगा। ओके, अगेन सेकेंड इज ओपन इंटरवल। ओपन इंटरवल, इफ x बिलोंग्स टू ओपन इंटरवल a to b, दिस मीन्स x lies between a and b। that means x is a real number which lies between a and b, but x can't contain value a as well as b। that means x lies between a and b but not equal to a and b। third one is third interval is semi open closed interval। semi open closed interval means if x belongs to a to b, such type of intervals are called semi open closed interval। that means halfway open, one side left side open and right side closed। this means x is greater than a but less than or equal to b। from number line it can easily be understood that a, if x lies between a and b but x must be equals to b but not equals to a, so x can take all real numbers which lies between a and b and containing b not equal to a, so this representation is called semi open closed interval। fourth fourth is fourth is semi closed open interval। semi closed means half, left hand side closed and right hand side open। if we can say if x belongs to a to b, this implies x is greater than or equal to a but less than b। that means x lies between a and b, x equals to a but not equals to b। from number line it can easily be understood that if x lies between a and b, that is x contains all values between a and b and x equal to a but not equal to b। that means x contains all values between a and b and x is also equal to a but not equal to b। such type of interval is called semi closed open interval। after that we see some important points about inequalities, about intervals or inequalities। first one is the set of real numbers। the set of real numbers can be expressed as r or minus infinity to plus infinity। open interval minus infinity to plus infinity। second thing is with plus infinity or minus infinity, we put always open interval। because these are not exact values, these are tending values, therefore we put open interval. Third point is, if a is less than b, less than or equal to b, then a is less than b और a इक्वल्स टू b. दैट मीन्स हम बोलते हैं कि a लेस देन इक्वल टू b है, तो इसका मीनिंग ये है कि a छोटा हो सकता है b से या a बराबर हो सकता है b से. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज, इफ a इज लेस देन b and c is less than d, this implies a plus c is less than b plus d. That is, if a is less than b and c is less than d, this implies if we add these two inequalities, then a plus c is also less than b plus d. Now next is, if a is less than b, this implies minus a is greater than minus b. That means if a is less than b, in inequality, if we multiply any negative numbers, then inequality must be changed. Next point is, if a is less than b, this implies ka is less than kb. If a is less than, k is less than, if k is greater than 0 and ka is greater than kb, if k is less than 0. That means if we multiply any positive number in the inequality, then inequality does not change. If we multiply it by a negative number in an inequality, then inequality must be changed. That is, greater may be smaller and smaller may be greater. Next, now we see that if a, b both are positive and a is greater than 0 but less than b, then if we raise a positive power, then inequality is does not change. But if we raise a negative power, then inequality must be changed. Next thing is, a plus 1 by a always greater than or equal to 2 if a is positive, and a plus 1 by a is less than or equal to 2 if a is less than 0. That means if a is positive, then that is, if any number is positive, then sum of number and its reciprocal is always greater than or equal to 2, and if number is negative, then sum of number and its reciprocal is always less than or equal to minus 2. This again we read this inequalities in sequential series, that is, am is greater than or equal to gm. Next, if a is less than b, then a square is also less than b square if modulus value of a is less than modulus value of b, if absolute value of a is less than absolute value of b. If a and b are both positive, then their reciprocals 1 by a is less than 1 by b. If a and b both are negative, then 1 by a is greater than 1 by b. Note these points. If both are positive and we reciprocal it, then 1 by a is less than 1 by b, and if both are negative, then 1 by a is greater than 1 by b. Again, if a is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, then if we take reciprocal, then 1 by a is less than 1 by b. While we solving questions, such type of problems we getting, and we get rid such types of. friends, while we solving inequalities, then we facing such types of problems, and by using these inequalities, we can easily solve such types of questions easily. Next thing is, now friends, if x belongs to closed interval a to b, this is called reciprocal law. If x belongs to a to b, this implies 1 by x belongs to 1 by b to 1 by a, closed interval, if a and b are of same sign, and 1 by x belongs to minus infinity to 1 by a union 1 by b to infinity if a and b are of opposite sign. तो जब हम नंबर्स का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो ये चीज़ को ध्यान रखना है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, यहाँ पे हम मिस्टेक्स कर लेते हैं, तो इस चीज़ को आपको ध्यान रखना है. नाउ सी सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन दीज इनइक्वालिटीज. अब इन इनइक्वालिटीज पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं या कैसे हम सॉल्व करते हैं. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है, we have to find value of x square in each of the following cases. That is, we have to find x square if x is less than 2, x is greater than minus 1, x is greater than equal to 2, and x is less than minus 1. So now see how can we find x square in such cases. So first of all, solution of first. Now see, x is less than 2. This means x belongs to, x is less than 2 means here is 2 and x is less than 2. That means कहाँ तक जाएगा? up to minus infinity. That means x belongs to minus infinity to 0 union 0 to 2. 0 to 2. So now see, after squaring, so in this case after squaring we get x belongs to 0 to infinity, and in this case 0 to 4. Combining these results, we get x, here see, x is greater than, x square is greater than 0 and up to infinity, and x lies between 0 to 4. So 0 is included in this case, then their union is 0 to infinity. So if x is less than 2, then their square is belongs to 0 to infinity. Now see,